Hello children, today we will do an activity, okay, paper tearing and pasting. Okay, first we'll do paper tearing and then pasting. For that you have to draw a picture, okay, in your drawing book, okay, in your A4 size drawing book, okay. So take one craft paper, any color, one Fevicol or glue stick, okay. See, and then what you have to do is you have to tear this paper, okay. Children, you have to do, okay. Your mummy will not do it for you. Will tear this paper. Parents, please get this activity done from them, okay. This will strengthen their muscles, okay. Fine muscles which will improve their handwriting and their grip, okay. So let the children tear the paper. Parents, please, you don't do it for them. Let them do it slowly, no problem, okay. And they have to tear it small pieces, okay children. See, you have to tear it into small pieces, okay. And keep it, okay. First paper tearing. What am I doing? Paper tearing, okay. So you can do it with any color, okay. Tear it into small pieces, okay. Tear it into small pieces, okay. Okay, let's see. Now what you do is you have to apply glue. Parents, please apply glue and give them, okay, Fevicol, and they can stick it, okay. Parents can help them to apply the glue because they will make it messy, okay. Please apply the glue and give. Okay, parents, you have to apply the Fevicol and give, okay. And after that, children, you will take one paper, okay, one piece and stick it like this, okay. So teacher has drawn a circle shape, okay. So you will paste it like this, okay. See, paste it, okay. Paper tearing and pasting activity, okay. See, you have to complete it like this, okay children. See, paper tearing and pasting. This activity is very good for you children. You do it, okay. Any picture you can draw. Tell your mama to draw any picture, but tearing and pasting you will do, okay. Okay children, you have to paste it and don't leave any space, okay. You have to paste, don't leave any space, okay. See, you have to paste it. Okay, now see which shape teacher has drawn. Can you see children? Which shape is this? Circle. Yes, circle shape, no? So we have done paper tearing and pasting activity, okay children. Today you will complete this, okay. You can do it in your activity book, okay. One drawing book you have to keep for activity, okay. In that book you will do this, all the whatever activities teacher is giving, you will do it in that, okay. So you have to paste everywhere, don't leave any white place, okay children. See here, okay. Okay, see, paste it, okay children. Hope you will enjoy this activity. Yes, okay. So children, complete it and send it to me, okay. So we have completed, okay. So here also one place is there, so here also will paste, okay. See, just you have to see, see, here it is left. So wherever white space are there you have to paste the paper, okay children. Okay, complete it, okay. See, hope you will enjoy this activity. Yes, thank you, bye.